Hello everyone, this is Blender Gappy. In this video, I'll be discussing the Add Intersect Object operator in Creative Flow. Its main functionality is to make it easier to add objects on selected elements in edit mode, which can then be used by the Intersect Faces operator for Boolean in edit mode. You can add a cube or cylinder in the average position of the selected vertices in edit mode of the active object. If you have no vertices selected, the cube or the cylinder will be added to the position of the 3D cursor. The cube or cylinder mesh will then be added to the scene as a new object. The objects created using the operator will inherit the origin or center of the active object used to add them. This is by default, and by using Auto Mirror on the resulting object, you can see that the symmetry lines up perfectly. You can, however, choose to set the origin or center of the resulting object to its geometry instead by toggling on the Origin to Geometry toggle in the Redo panel. You can also use this to accurately position objects in already existing designs to be used for other than Boolean. Or position a Boolean object perfectly, which the draw or extract functionalities in the add-on can sometimes find it hard to do. Basically, it's just a mesh add operator, but its usefulness, when combined with the workflows of the add-on, makes it shine. Sometimes this is faster and more accurate than using a draw or extract object to create an auxiliary design or a Boolean mesh. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, be sure to use the comments section or the links in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.